Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to this episode of The Thai Life. And today we're super excited because we got some great news. We found out that our nail shop can finally open again. Yay. So it's been closed for almost 3 months. Long time. Today we're in Khon Kaen, which is in northern Thailand. A bigger university kind of province. A lot of big stuff here. In northern Thailand, it's probably the biggest city. We're celebrating by going to the See-na-nuan restaurant. And what they have here is the most incredible crispy pork that you've ever seen. And so it's actually already ready. So we're gonna go inside and can't wait to show you. And Gun's happy. Look at this crispy pork, guys. Look at that. Amazing. Look how beautiful the dishes are. There's no time for talking right now, guys. This is serious.
The contest coming.
Food contest.
Yes.
We've been watching a lot of food contests, like hot dog eating. So we're gonna try to take some of what we've learned and try to finish this pork. It's not gonna be easy, as you can see here, but it's really fun to try. It's making everyone hungry right now. Yeah, she looks beautiful. Awesome. So, oh my gosh, so full. I definitely couldn't be a competitive eater like we were talking about before. But how much, if you had to guess, do you think that epic meal costs? If you had to guess, I'll give you a second. What do you think? $40, $50? That meal was less than $20. So it was about 700 baht. It's so amazing here. Probably outside of Bangkok, one of the best cities for eating is Khon Kaen. I made videos in different places, and what we've kind of realized is one of the best places is actually the place that's closest to us, you know. And it's so funny how a lot of times we never look at the places close to us as the places we should spend our time. Good job. Huh? Yeah. Oh, thank you, Khon Kaen. Yeah, and I think give a tip, yeah? Oh, you give a tip? Good.
Give for the one more for me. I say good job to calm down and try to explain the direction to go here. He very happy.
Oh, nice. Okay, you ready? We got our bone for the dog.
But I have the spicy sauce for the lobster.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, he's a cute girl. Huh? Where you go? I don't think so. Yeah. All right, let's go to the next place. All right. Hey guys, so we decided to go just a little bit further to Mahasarakham, and this is actually where Angun went to college. It's about like maybe 35 more minutes past Khon Kaen, and they have an awesome market.
Yes, the night market, very busy.
Yeah, it's super busy. Thailand feels like it's coming back to life, so we're super happy. So check out the market. We're wearing our masks, you know, trying to be smart.
Yes, everyone do that to protect themselves.
Yeah.
on the new one.
Ah, yeah.
See over there?
Yeah, it's nice. Wait. Cute.
ไม่นะพี่เอาไม่นะลูกไม่นะ
ว่าพอสนใจก็รู้ก็คือว่าโดน
เป็นรถต้องเพื่อนแล้ว290 บาทไม่200 บาทเอง
Oh, they got some cool shirts.
Like a what would you be doing? It's funny.
Oh, well, these look good, honey.
Yeah, brownie you want?
Yeah, look.
Oh, just 10 baht per piece.
Yeah, look, they look good. We'll see if they really are.
Yeah, tell me what car you want. Try to.
Yeah. Huh? Funny. Oh, they have rib here. Wow.
If you want, you can order and to ที่นี่ดีไหม3ที่นี่ที่ไหนดี
อันนี้ครับหนาอยู่ครับ
อันนี้ไม่
แต่อันนี้ก็สวยครับ
สวยแต่ไม่หนาใช่ไหม
ใช่หนาปึ๊กนะ
โอเคอะไรที่มันชื่อ
Okay.
ไม่ก็อุ่นเหรอ
ครับกินร้อนๆครับ
แต่แบงค์พันได้ไหม
ได้ครับผม
ไม่เป็นไรดีกว่าเดี๋ยวเอาให้อีก20ที่อยู่ในกระเป๋าตังค์เขาครับนึงที่ตลาดมันมีตลอดไหมเนี่ย
เสาร์อาทิตย์ครับ
ไม่ใช่หมายถึงว่าช่วงเมื่อกี้ก็ปิดหรือเปล่า
เปิดแต่อาหารครับ
เหรอ
แต่ตอนนี้เปิดทุกอย่างแล้วครับ
ตั้งแต่ตอนไหน
เมื่ออาทิตย์ที่แล้วครับ
อ๋อ
ปกติเมื่อ2 เดือนที่ผ่านมาจะเปิดแค่ตรงเนี้ยครับโซนอาหาร
ให้เอากลับบ้าน
ครับ
This market never closed before, just open for the food cart.
Oh,
Very
good.
good.
Ooh. Sorry, Kyle. Hey, honey, just doing what I want, you know. Wow. Hey, sorry, Kyle. Hey, sorry, Kyle.
สวัสดีครับ
You want?
To be honest, right now it's kind of more.
Okay.
รับเลยนะ
What looks good?
Everything was good.
Yeah, everything looked good here, really.
Did I feel full.
Yeah. We had a really nice day. We're still super pumped about our shop opening up, and Gun and I we bought some good food at the market, and we've got like a 15-minute window between when we get home and 15 minutes to use to not be late for curfew to eat something. So we like to eat in the back of the truck sometimes. And here's our food, the pork ribs.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's good, yeah. This 140 baht for all of this. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, look good, and they give you extra barbecue sauce too. See?
Looks delicious.
Yeah. Gonna put this on and make more delicious. Come join with us.
Yeah, come join with us, and hope everyone's doing great. We're excited to see Thailand start opening, and my friends in the U.S. Things are starting to get back to normal. So we're just excited about that and to have business, and thanks for joining us on this Khon Kaen adventure, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. And we'll show you guys the inside of the nail shop on Monday. So when we open up, we'll take some video for you.
Okay, we're gonna be busy for sure.
Lots of customers, lots of money.
Yes, right.
See you guys.